Here is an absolutely amazing recipe for the morning of December 25th, or even to enjoy throughout the Christmas season, the snowflake brioche with spreadable chocolate. Moreover, it is super soft. You will see, you will love it. In the mixing bowl, combine the strong flour, sugar, salt, and then add the T45 flour. You crumble the fresh yeast, add the eggs and milk. I suggest using fermented milk to achieve a softer brioche. Then you install the dough hook on your stand mixer and start kneading. Knead until the dough comes together. When finished, slowly add the butter, mixing well between each addition. Each piece of butter must be incorporated before adding the next one. Once finished, take the bowl and cover the dough with plastic wrap. Cover loosely and let rise in warmth at 29 degrees for 1.5 hours. Then you will pour the dough onto a floured work surface. You will press down on it with your hands to deflate it. Then cut it into 3 parts, make the portions as equal as you can, and shape them into bowls. The complete list of ingredients will be in the description under the video. You also have all the information about the stand mixer, especially the exceptional offers available during Black Friday. Be careful, these offers end on December 2nd. I'll provide more details later in the video. Then you will put the first ball on a sheet of baking paper and spread it into a disc roughly 25 centimeters wide. I can't measure it, but it's about that size. Put a tray underneath, preferably a perforated one for better baking, especially for brioche. That's a better approach. After that, add half of the spread on top and smooth it out with a spatula. This is a rich brioche. Place a second disc of dough on top. Aim to match their sizes as closely as possible. Once more, add a layer of the spread. Then place the third disc of dough on top. We will then move on to shaping. For this, place a glass in the center of your brioche and cut the brioche in 16 sections. Then we will create our snowflake. To do this, you take 2 branches each time that you rotate outward 2 times. I'll show you a few times to clarify the technique. Let it rest for an hour at room temperature or overnight in the fridge. And you will brush it with an egg yolk and a little milk. Once that's done, you put it in the oven, and there you go. Look, we have a beautiful brioche. Soft and fluffy, you can sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top to create a snow effect, enhancing that snowflake look. We enjoyed it. It was delicious, truly indulgent. Let's not kid ourselves. And I'll see you soon for another recipe. Bye.